Welcome everyone, my name is Bart and you are watching a PhoneReco channel. Today I have iPhone 6s with the classic backlight issue, so let's begin and check what is wrong with this phone. I need to set it up and then the phone will be ready for collection. Okay, thank you very much for watching. That was a quite easy repair for the iPhone 6s with the backlight issue. Please remember, always disconnect the battery before you're doing anything with any electronic device. Okay, thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.